Hello, kids! Today we are going to learn about emergency vehicles with the topic of ambulances. Now let's start the video together. Wow! What is this? This is an ambulance. This is an ambulance. An ambulance is an emergency vehicle used for transporting sick or injured people to medical facilities for examination and treatment, with necessary medical equipment and healthcare workers on board to provide support during the journey. What is this? This is a bicycle ambulance. This is a bicycle ambulance. A bicycle ambulance is a type of emergency vehicle designed to transport patients in narrow streets or crowded areas, using a bicycle with a stretcher while basic medical support is provided along the way. Wow! Look at this! This is a fire rescue ambulance. This is a fire rescue ambulance. A fire rescue ambulance is an emergency vehicle used in fires and rescue situations, combining medical transport with rescue equipment while working together with firefighters. Can you see this? This is a doctor car. This is a doctor car. A doctor car is an emergency vehicle that allows doctors to reach patients quickly at the scene, bringing medical equipment and professional care before hospital transport begins. Wow! What is this? This is an air ambulance plane. An air ambulance plane helps transport patients over long distances by air, helping them reach specialized hospitals quickly with medical care provided during the flight. Can you see this? This is a helicopter ambulance. A helicopter ambulance is an air rescue vehicle designed to reach emergency scenes quickly, especially in hard-to-access areas, and transport patients directly to hospitals. Can you see this? This is a rescue boat. This is a rescue boat. A rescue boat helps save people during water emergencies, helping victims reach safety on rivers, lakes, or flooded areas. Here's a special one. This is a box ambulance. This is a box ambulance. A box ambulance is built with a large medical compartment, allowing advanced treatment for patients during transport. Wow, look at this. This is a search and rescue helicopter. This is a search and rescue helicopter. A search and rescue helicopter helps find and save people in danger on land or at sea, especially during disasters or accidents. What do you see here? This is a motorcycle ambulance. This is a motorcycle ambulance. A motorcycle ambulance helps move quickly through traffic, bringing first aid and medical support to patients before larger ambulances arrive. Wow, what is this? This is an ambulance bus. An ambulance bus is designed to transport many patients at the same time, providing medical care during large-scale emergencies. What do you see? This is a military ambulance. A military ambulance is used by armed forces to rescue and transport injured soldiers safely during military operations. This one looks strong. This is a pickup ambulance. This is a pickup ambulance. A pickup ambulance is suitable for rural and remote areas, using a strong vehicle design to reach patients on difficult roads. What do you see here? This is an ambulance boat. An ambulance boat is used to transport patients by water, providing medical support during floods or emergencies in coastal or island areas.
Wow! What is this?
This is a lifeboat. This is a lifeboat. A lifeboat is designed to save people from danger at sea, keeping survivors safe during emergencies. This one is different. This is a drone ambulance. This is a drone ambulance. A drone ambulance is a medical support device that flies emergency supplies, such as medicine or defibrillators, to patients in urgent situations. Can you see this one? This is an off-road ambulance. This is an off-road ambulance. An off-road ambulance is designed to travel across rough terrain, helping rescue teams reach patients in mountains or forests. What do you see? This is a patient transport ambulance. This is a patient transport ambulance. A patient transport ambulance is used to move patients safely between medical facilities when emergency care is not required. What is this? This is a hospital ship. This is a hospital ship. A hospital ship is a floating medical facility that provides examination and treatment for many patients during maritime emergencies or disasters. This one is very important. This is a neonatal ambulance. A neonatal ambulance is specially equipped to care for newborn babies who need urgent medical attention. Can you see this? This is a pediatric ambulance. A pediatric ambulance is designed to treat and transport children, creating a safer and more comfortable environment for young patients.